What are you doing now? Right, okay, you take your gloves off, you're going to swing through the vines in the jungle. Louis, Kiwi, you're going to swing through the vines in the jungle. Now, yeah. What was that? What was that? Looks like a fairy going for a kiss. And just with the wings and everything. Swing through the vines in the jungle like a man. Grrr. I can't actually believe you just did that. Professionalism. Okay. Louis. I'm very glad the kids don't understand. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Boys and girls, do you think that was very good? No! Think like Ashley. Go. Grrr. Are you ready?
Cardigan.
Think cardigan. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! That was it. You look like you're on the phone with the poo. You're going to say, me Tarzan, you Jane, in your deepest, sexiest, manliest voice. I've seen this before. Are you ready? Go.
Me Tarzan, you Jane.
Ladies, did we think that was very sexy? No! Did we think you sounded like Julian Clary? Yeah! Try it again. Think manly, think deep, think Ashley. Go.
Me Tarzan, you Jane.
But that's not manly, is it? No. Try again. Are you ready? Think James Bond, think Indiana Jones, think grrr. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
All right then, me Tarzan, you Jane.
What James Bond film have you been watching that sounds far already? Huh? Try again. Manly. Are you ready? Careful. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Me Tarzan, you Jane.
Are you alright? And then you're going to give Jane a kiss on the cheek. I don't know. Why are you holding my hand? Can you just give her a kiss, please?
Where?
On the cheek.
On the cheek.
Yeah, give her a kiss.
On the cheek.
On the cheek.
On the cheek.
Give her a kiss.
Just on the cheek.
Yeah.
On the cheek.
Yeah.
Now?
Now!
On the cheek.
Yeah, on the cheek. So then Tarzan swung through the vines in the jungle and he said, what is your problem? What are you doing?
On the cheek.
The one on his face?
Oh no!
Yeah, you were quite prepared to do the other one, but not that one. That's worse, that's no worse.